So this is problem A on your 310 homework assignment. So reading the instructions, we're saying, assuming that each number line has been divided into equal parts. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Complete the model and fill in the percentage statements. So here we have our double number line, and this is divided into equal parts. So let's just count those parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total parts. So if this whole line represents 100% of our situation, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. So that means if each of these lines represents 10%. So there's 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. There's all of our percentages. Okay, so we need to start filling in these blanks. Well, we know that this first bit right here, the large one, right there, let's just worry about our percentages for now, because that is 8 chunks. That is going to be 80%. And then this next bit, I'll go ahead and color that in blue, this portion right here, because that is 2 chunks, it is 20%. So now we have enough information that we can set up some proportions and complete these percentage statements right here. So my first proportion, I know that $30 is 100% of this situation. So I'm going to set this up as $30 over 100%. And because everything on this list is a proportion, I know that this unknown right here, we're going to call that X. X dollars over 20% is going to be equal to $30 over 100%. They are proportional. So these two ratios are proportional. Now I can do my math. And I know that, so I'm going to get into red for this. I know that in my denominators, looking at my denominators, 100 divided by 5 will get me 20. So if that's true on my denominator, and these are proportional relationships, that means that it has to be true for my numerator. So for that numerator, I should be able to say that 30 divided by 5 is going to equal my X. So 6 equals X. So then on my number line, instead of X there, I can say that $6 is 20% of 30. So for my first number statement, 20% of 30 is 6. And from here, I can just do some simple calculations. I don't have to set up any more proportions. I can say that, well, 30 minus 6, so that total minus my 20% is 24, which means that this number right here has to be 24. And 24 is in proportion. It is aligned with that 80. So I know that 24 is 80% of 30. And then I can use the same reasoning. So, well, 10% of 30 then. So if 6 is 20%, then X is 10%. And I know that if you take 20 and you divide it by 2, you get 10. So I'm just going to take 6 and divide it by 2, and I'll end up with 3. So 10% of 30 is 3.